Okay, we're going to change the plotting blade on the printer this time. It's a nice simple process. So unscrew the brass thumb screw, not all the way, just enough so that and the securing arms swing out the way. Take out the black plastic blade holder. If you push on the rod, that will push the blade enough so you can pop it out of the blade holder. And then you pop your new one in and push down on the blade a little bit and it will snap into place with a magnet. There is the cap of the blade holder. That is just to show how much of the blade you want to expose, the tip of the blade. Once you're done, pop it back in. The silver swing arm has a little tab at the top. If that is at the top of the black plastic blade holder, that's where you want it to be. And just give it a little tug. Make sure it doesn't come loose, and that's it.